All right. I also want to tell our viewers, as I'm staying with those visuals, what's been happening in the Supreme Court. Supreme Court says the original case diary has been handed to the CBI as soon as the transfer order came. I beg your pardon, that's the West Bengal government. Kapil Sibal says. Kapil Sibal says the seizure list also has the unnatural death, the inquest, the postmortem report. All of this is before 11 p.m. How can anyone contend the inquest was at 4:40? I'm sorry to say that the union is creating a doubt. So there's a difference of opinion coming from the central government as the Bengal government, and Kapil Sibal is trying to say that the judicial magistrates report seems to have all the answers. But the court continues asking details about what's really happened and what was the time of the postmortem report. They've also said give a police officer who's responsible should be present inside the courtroom. Justice Pardewala says we'll have to look into this and go into great details of this. They've also asked on Kapil Sibal has given out details, and the Solicitor General says we will revert on this. All right, so let me just tell you what's been happening in the Supreme Court. The postmortem report question is haunting the Kolkata police. How can the postmortem report happen before the unnatural death registration? To this, Kapil Sibal replies on what the CBI has stated by stating that everything happened before 8:30 p.m. We have a judicial magistrate's report with us, and that's what he's looking at. However, the documents that are present before the Chief Justice of India, Justice Pardewala, are clearly different. It seems that they have to go into great details of that. And as this case continues to be heard in the top court, we are also seeing the judges ask some very worried questions from the Kolkata police as to what really happened. This is the Chief Justice of India hearing the suo motu cognizance case in the Kolkata case that has raised several doubts and asking questions as to what really happened. At the very outset, they've said that there will be they will be looking into it. Justice Manoj Mishra, Justice J.B. Pardewala, and Justice Chandrachud's bench looking at these matters and assuring that they will come to the bottom of what's been taking place. But the big question is, how is the Kolkata police going to answer whether the unnatural death registration happened after the postmortem had taken place? They've also said, we want permission from the court. The Supreme Court said, do it. We want to show you something is what is being said by by the Solicitor General for the CBI. Kapil Sibal is again going into great details of the postmortem report and the judicial magistrate report. I also see Dr. Singhvi standing there near Kapil Sibal.
And then finally the FIR at 11:30 in the night.
No, even this UD case has 11 to 30. That's what I want to
No, 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 that's not correct.
See the UD case.
Can your lordships just see this?
577 is recorded at 10:10 in the morning.
Yes.
Can your lordships just have a look at it?
Yes. Yes.
Can your lordships have a
Because
look
they
at
have this information in the CD. They have this
Mr.
information.
Sibal, please allow me now.
Mr. Sibal,
Please allow me.
allow me what? You should have shown the CD, given the CD.
Lord, I don't mean to
Prisoner
fight,
should have
my
been
lord.
given in court.
In fact, this also matches with the FIR.
My lord, there is a confusion. My lord, please allow me.
Received date 9th August 24, time 10:10 hours.
My lord, if your lordship gives me 2 minutes, my lord.
Exactly.
My lord, I may be right, I may be wrong. Give me 2 minutes, my lord. Your lordships have, my lord, this 10:10. 10:10, my lord.
Yes, yes.
This is GDE, called General Diary Entry.
Right, at the police station.
At the first, yes, at the police station. Please, my lord, thereafter come to this, my lord. My lord, your lordship, I do not know the number of the compilation, but it is page 47 on the top.
Yes, 47 we got.
Correct?
It's the same.
Your lordship, please, Mr. Sibal,
Yes, continue.
there is
Mr.
always a courtesy to each
Yes,
other.
sir.
Lord,
Exercise.
this is 576, 2330. Correct, my lord? Now read this, my lord. In reference to Tala PS General Diary Entry number 542 of date, return to PS with so-and-so, so-and-so. Please ignore it and come to the next page. After return to PS under order of office something, an UD case has been registered with a Tala PS number so-and-so 861. So this UD case is registered, my lord. Earlier was GD entry. This is UD case at 2330 and at 2345 FIR is registered.
See page 40, it just shows, Malad.
That's, my lord, how the chronology we have, my lord, presented.
Muddy the waters. It's all muddy the waters. That's what you're doing.
Lord,
Just see 42, just see 42.
42, my lord.
GD number 542, dated 10:10 a.m. Received information over the telephone from Agikor Medical College Hospital Police Outpost that a lady of PG trainee of so-and-so
So-and-so was found lying in unconscious state at so-and-so medicine department of third floor of emergency building in so-and-so, according to informed sector 92 OC and under his order, leading PS with lady police. So this is, my lord, general diary entry. What is?
That is what DD is. That's
Lord,
what
somebody has lost the
That's
life.
according to the
Don't
rules.
at least laugh.
One second. According
at
to the
least
rules,
laugh.
Maharaj, that we follow,
A girl has
these
lost
regulations
her
we've done
life
in accordance.
in a most inhuman
That's
and
not-
undignified manner.
Maharaj, these are the rules, and we have followed to the T the rules
Yes,
of the,
I will show that
of
what rules are.
unnatural death end.
My lord,
The Solicitor General. First, a general diary entry is made. Thereafter, the police proceeds to the spot with the case diaries.
Correct.
Case general diary is kept at the police station.
Which
Case
is
diary
regist-
is carried to the spot.
Yes.
Now, the relevant part would be
Yes.
this part, which is a inquest report. This
Yes.
shows that the information regarding unnatural death was received and registered as case number 861 on 9/8/2024 at 10:10 hours.
That's correct.
Yes.
And this extract is the general diary which the police
Lord, we
complete
will
after
examine
the
this
day is
aspect
over.
and come back to you. Lord.
It carries various steps that have been carried out during the course of the day.
That's right.
So that
Lord,
is what
and I can assure my learned friend, this is not an attempt to muddy the water, to remove the mud
have
from the
already
water,
muddied.
because we are dealing with a delicate situation. Somebody's dignity is
Oh, come
lost.
on, come on. We all know that. We are all, it's a tragic incident. It's barbaric, and we are on the same side.
Your side was
But let's
laughing.
not muddy the waters on
really unfortunate.
The only one point which we also see is that the UD, I'll read out the relevant part. This is at page 74. Accordingly, PO has been cordoned under proper guard. Also, several witnesses were examined and their statements were recorded. Consulted CCTV footages in and around the vicinity of the PO. After post-mortem and inquest, the dead body of the deceased has been handed over to her mother, so-and-so. After return to the police station, under order of officer in charge, so-and-so, and UD case has been registered by Tala PS UD case number 861, dated 9 August 2024. All concerned, including superiors, were informed. After return to the police station, the seized articles were kept in PS Malkhana by Malkhana number 52 in the presence of ASI and constable so-and-so. Now, and officer in charge was informed. So it appears that the initial report of an unnatural death was received and which was recorded in the GD at as
So
5:40.
not unnatural death,
Once.
unconscious body. The doctors are informing the police that there is an unconscious
Found
body.
lying in unconscious state. That is
Not
what-
a doc. You don't have to be a doctor to
That is-
know that it's not
that
unconscious
is at,
body, it's a
that is
dead
at
body.
10:10 a.m.
Yes.
GD 542.
This is from the outpost, Malaj.
Right.
This
The
information is
unnatural
from the
death.
outpost.
The unnatural death is
Received from
recorded
police's
by
outpost.
entry 861 after they return to the police station at night.
That is how we have
And
seen.
11:30 in the night, the FIR is registered. In the meantime, the body has been handed over to the mother for the purpose of.
And that too, the father insists for registration of the
Yes,
FIR.
absolutely.
The hospital does not register the FIR. Father has insisted and registered the FIR.
The father told us, you wait till I tell you, then
No,
only
no,
register. I will give a written complaint. That's what happened. At least tell us what's been happening in the investigation and trying to say that this happened at 11:45.
The family is here, my lord. The state has.
He was appearing, my lord.
One clarification which we need.
Certainly, Malaj.
If the report of the police indicates that after return to the police station, GD 861 was recorded. In the meantime, the dead body had been handed over to the mother for cremation. This does not square up with the fact that the inquest refers to GD 861. Inquest takes place. I have the inquest of the judicial magistrate.
Right,
Judicial magistrate says I conducted the inquest at 4:20 p.m. on the 9th of August.
correct.
That inquest report refers to GD 861.
Yes,
Now, if the police say that the GD 861 was recorded on return to the police station just before, obviously before the FIR is recorded
Yes,
that
yes.
night, how is it that an inquest at 4:20 refers to 861?
My lord,
This is
kindly-
just-
my lord, I do not know how
Sorry.
it will
This is
done.
just recording.
It
This is
says
just
UD
recording.
1861,
just
not
an
GD.
expression, Malaj, it's just recording.
It says UD
Ask the
861.
ACJM, Malaj, ask
Not-
the ACJM. He was there. Ask the ACJM, Malaj. Everything is on record.